In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove audio from your video using Handbrake. This is a quick and efficient way to transform your video files, and we'll get through it in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to eliminate background noise or you simply need a silent version of your footage, this guide will show you how to do it effortlessly. So, let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to launch the Handbrake application on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, you can download it from the Handbrake official website. Once that's done, open up the program. You'll be greeted by a clean and straightforward interface designed to make your video conversions as smooth as possible. Next, it's time to load your video. On the Handbrake interface, you'll notice a button labeled Open Source. Click on this and select File. This is where you'll choose the video from which you want to remove the audio. Alternatively, if you're a fan of drag and drop simplicity, you can simply drag your video file directly into the Handbrake interface. Either way works just fine and will get you to the same point. Once your video is loaded, direct your attention to the tabs on the Handbrake interface and click on the one labeled Audio. This tab is your control center for all things related to audio within the video file you've selected. In this section, you'll find a drop-down menu that lists all the audio tracks included in your video. Now, what you need to do is adjust these audio settings. Find the drop-down menu where the audio tracks are listed and change the setting to None. In some versions or configurations of Handbrake, you might also see an option labeled Clear, which serves the same purpose. By doing this, you're essentially telling Handbrake to ignore any and all audio tracks when processing your video. With the audio settings adjusted, you'll want to determine where your new audio-free video will be saved. Look for the Browse button in the interface and click on it to set the destination for your exported file. Choose a location that's easy to remember so you can easily find your rendered video later. Finally, with everything set up, you're ready to begin the export process. Click on the Start Encode button found on the toolbar. This will kickstart the process of creating a new video file without any audio. Depending on the length and resolution of your video, this might take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. And there you have it. Just wait for the encoding process to finish and you'll have a silent version of your video ready to use. You've just removed the audio from your video using Handbrake in a few simple steps. Thanks for watching and happy editing.